Good morning and welcome to day 12 of our Learning from Home experience. This video is a no packet, no problem math lesson. So this is some extra practice for our math. It is also an opportunity for students who are maybe still waiting on their learning packets. Your independent practice is going to come from your Green Ready workbook. And today we're going to be focusing on comparing three-digit numbers. When I talk about comparing numbers, that's where we get to describe numbers or values as greater than, with a symbol to match, less than, or equal to. So again, we're going to focus on comparing numbers and describing their values as being greater than, as being less than, or being equal to. Okay? When I describe a value as greater than, that means I'm describing the value as bigger or larger. When I describe a value as less than, that means the value is smaller. And equal to describes values as being the same. Let's take a look at two values to start off with. And in this case, I have the values of 56 and 28. We've done some really great work of representing these numbers in different ways if you've been following along with our videos. So I'm going to show these numbers in build form. I know 56 would have me building with 5 tens and 6 ones. I'll fill in that information here. When I look at the values for 28, how many tens would I need? You got it. I need 2 tens. And I need 8 ones. And again, I'll fill in that information here. So as I'm comparing these two numbers, I have to start off by looking at their tens. And I know that 5 tens is greater than 2 tens. I'll fill that in this sentence. 5 tens is greater than 2 tens. Since I know this information, that lets me know that this value 56 is greater than this value 28. I know that because 5 tens is greater than 2 tens. So now I'm going to write a value or a number sentence using one of my symbols. In this case, I know that 56 is greater, so I need to use the symbol that means greater than. 56 is greater than 28. So here is me creating a number sentence. Okay? In your Green Ready workbook, you're going to be having a chance to do very similar work today. Your practice is going to take place on page 119 in your Green Ready workbook. They start off by giving you an example at the top, showing us, just like I did, that we can look to see which number or value has more tens, and that can be a really good clue for which number is going to be greater. Your first question starts off with Mike having 64 stickers and Nora having 38 stickers. We then use those numbers, just like I did, to first track how many tens and ones each number has. We then compare the tens, saying which number of tens is greater. And then we fill in the number sentence using one of our symbols. You will also have a chance to practice here on page 120. giving yourself a chance to complete number sentences by filling in the blanks with one of the symbols. You will also have a chance to compare these two numbers by showing their tens and ones and then writing a number sentence on this line. You'll have a chance to write a number sentence for these two numbers, 96 and 93. Again, a number sentence is just these two numbers with one of the symbols. And number 7 gives you a nice challenge for you to look at. 7 is a bit of a challenge. If you feel up to it, go for it. And again, this is page 120. If you have any questions about the Ready Workbook page or about our video lesson for today, feel free to send me a message on ClassDojo. Feel free to hit me up on Google Classroom. Otherwise, have a great day.